to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chasers. So fam, let me address the elephant in the room. People keep talking about this gray hair, calling me Grandpa Jones. Look at this clip right here. Check out this clip. Fun fact, that is backed by the science. Working out, this is backed by the science, can build your gray brain matter. That is huge, huge. Last time I checked, the brain is part of the body. I need y'all to comment below. Is the brain part of the body? Yes or no? It was this year. So what happened? Did I just go gray overnight? No. I just woke up one day and said, I'm gonna take a little break from shaving. I'm gonna take a little break from coloring my grays, my white hairs, by the way, and just let it hang. So this summer, I just let my shit hang, and I've been enjoying it, fam. I have been enjoying it. But just wanted to address the elephant in the room, okay? I didn't go gray overnight. I've been going gray for years. I've been coloring and shaving for years. I say around the age of 33. Around the age of 33, I just started getting more grays, you know? And I'm just gonna embrace it for a little while. You know, maybe one day I'll go back to the shave, because I still believe a fresh shave will make these hoes behave. But anyway, let's get up in this gym, fam. We're gonna meet up with Kelly Burke. He's waiting for us. Let's go inside. I'm a little rusty.
You say you're a little rusty. You ain't been doing it. You've been putting the camera on yourself here lately, huh? Doing food videos. What else have you been doing? Eating out.
I don't need no belt or nothing, huh?
I got mine just in case.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chasers. We got my brother Kelly here.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Look out, Kelly Burke right here, man. KRB. Y'all know what time it is.
Now, fam, before we start this arm workout, Kelly has a show in September. It's gonna be in what city? Tell them about it.
Yeah, I got the Arlington Muscle Showdown, September the 20th, right here in Arlington, Texas at the Bob Duncan Center. So if y'all not doing anything on September the 20th, y'all come. It's my first show as a promoter, promote my own show, bodybuilding event. It's gonna be crazy, man. I got a crazy lineup, even a lot of natural guys. I got right now more natural guys than I do the guys that are untested. So it's gonna be an amazing show.
Is this show tested at all?
Just tested and non-tested.
So you're gonna have a tested category?
Yep.
And all on the same day?
Under the same roof.
I'm gonna be there and not competing, guys, but I will be at that show, hanging out, checking out the show, scouting for talent. So you wanna come say hi, come say hi. Be sure to follow him on Instagram, ask him any questions you have, okay?
Yep,
let's get to it. All right, homies and homettes, you already know, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. And again, I'm doing a Labor Day sale right now. You can get my Bro Split program 20% off, all right? So check it out, doing some cable curls. This is one of my best kept secrets. As you see, you can see the arms for yourself. Notice at the top of every rep, you can literally see the lines in my arms pop out. Cables are a great way for you to get that mind-muscle connection engaged. The better mind-muscle connection you have, the more sharper you're gonna look when you're lean. Remember, we have a neuromuscular system. So when your nervous system, that's your brain and spine combined, really get a deep connection with those muscle fibers, it's gonna show. That's why posing is so important. Posing is another way to get more mind-muscle connection. This takes years to master. So here we are doing some seated hammer curls, incline bench on a high incline. Really gonna hit the outer head, the long head of the biceps. Really help to get you that fullness from the side. Speaking of fullness from the side, knocking in some reverse curls. Hit that brachialis. And long head. See the top of the forearm? That's the brachioradialis. So we're hitting the brachioradialis, brachialis, and the long head. Really get that thickness from the side. I'm talking that thickness for the side. They make the hoes want to take a ride.
But yeah, people are sleeping on the angles. Hit the muscles from different angles. I've been saying that for years. Watch, there's gonna be some study coming out saying, yes, science is proven hitting the muscles from different angles. Just watch. All right, so we're finishing off with some barbell curls, okay? Doing them at the very end, it's gonna make a little weight feel heavy. Those are only 25 pounds on the side, you know, but after doing those other curl movements, you know, we're pretty tired. And on the third and final set, I'm going all the way to failure. As you see, Kelly is helping me get to failure. We did 3 sets of everything today, and we took everything to failure on the third and final sets, okay? Now we're doing triceps. Now you can superset your workouts, but since we're recording, you know, and the vibe we're on, we just did one exercise at a time. You know, sometimes I'll superset my arm movements, but we did a lot of talking in between sets. And if you're gonna do a lot of talking in between sets, you can't really superset, you know, so we did one exercise at a time. We were in no rush today. We just caught up, talked a little between sets. We did one exercise at a time, 3 sets of everything, and took the third sets to failure. Pretty good workout, guys. So we did the lying skull crushers with dumbbells. Now we're doing seated French presses. Okay, seated overhead extensions, seated French presses. As you see, they're very similar to skull crushers, except you do this upright. And the difference is the stabilization from your shoulder blades. That's gonna manifest, I'm telling you. Hitting the muscles from different angles is gonna show with your details. I'm telling you. Watch, there's gonna be a scientific study in the future. And I would say, see, I told you. So we're doing some standing press downs, okay? Just really getting the blood in the muscle. Focusing on extending that elbow with control. And we're finishing off with some dips. And this right here, doing them at the end, is gonna make those dips feel heavy. This is my final set right here, and I'm really struggling on this one, okay? Taking my time, milking each rep, you know? So if you wanna keep dips in rotation, and you don't wanna constantly add weight, try doing them at the end. Yeah, that's what I do. It really saves the elbows too, let me tell you that. Well, anyway, we're coming to the end. Be sure to comment below and let me know what you think.
Post-workout meal, cause shit just got real. All right, homies and homettes, post-workout meal. You know shit just got real. I got a side salad right here. What? Yeah, a little side salad. Throwing some egg for protein, a little bit of fat. And I'm using balsamic dressing for the ones that happen to give a fuck. Go ahead, Kelly.
Yes, sir. Got a side salad as well, plain with balsamic dressing as well.
Also, remember, Kelly got a show coming in Arlington, Texas, right?
Yes, sir.
Arlington, Texas. Tell them about it one more time.
The Arlington Muscle Showdown, September the 20th, right here in Arlington at the Bob Duncan Center. Show gonna start at 10 a.m. and that's a Saturday, man. So if y'all wanna come out, man, come check it out. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a good show.
It's gonna be a morning show and night show, or just all one bang?
I'm gonna run it through, but we probably have a break between the morning and night, like an hour.
Okay.
Hour max. So the show should be done early. Probably between 2 to 4, it'll be done.
So you come at 10 a.m., you won't miss nothing?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, bet. So 10 a.m., Saturday, September 20th?
Yep.
There it is, okay.
It's going down.
Post-workout meal. You know shit just got real. Check me out. I got this steak right here, chicken, and sweet potato, fam. This is my first meal at 1 o'clock. I trained arms faster today and I still feel good. Knock on wood. Let's get it.
All right, guys, I got a sirloin right here. It's supposed to be 10 ounces, but we know that ain't 10. I told you that was gonna be 10, right? That's like 6 ounces. And asparagus. And I got me a few mushrooms over here too.
Still got that filet.
I should have.
Well, anyway, fam, that's the end of the workout video. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to give Kelly a follow. And if you're coming to that show, be sure to let me know, because I'll be there and I would love to meet you. Don't forget to like my shit. If you like this video, then like my shit. Thank you. Comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy.
moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.